You just always been a tighter rush that I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that.
6 wonderful advantages of lettuce for health. Yes, it's a salad staple, however, did you recognize that the health advantages of lettuce are abundant? They embody serving to lower cholesterol levels, moderating sleep, controlling anxiety, reducing inflammation, and providing a constant offer of antioxidants. Lettuce, scientifically referred to as Lactuca sativa, was initially cultivated by the Egyptians thousands of years ago. The Egyptians used the seeds to supply oil and additionally utilized the leaves of this useful vegetable. The plant also had cultural and religious significance in ancient Egypt, because it was thought to be sacred. Later, the Greeks and Romans also cultivated this crop. It was within the amount between the 16th and 18th centuries that differing kinds of lettuce were developed. This was because of the discovery that a selected subspecies might cross-pollinate with other subspecies throughout medieval times in Europe. Lettuce was considered to possess healthful qualities that were mentioned in many medieval texts. One will notice instances of the plant being prescribed as a medication for several diseases in the Unani medicine system as well. The dried latex of lettuce was prescribed for causing sleep and was used as nasal drops, a sedative, an antispasmodic, and an anodyne during medieval times and into the start of modern times. Lettuce spread from Europe to North America throughout the 19th century. It spread to alternative components of the globe as well, particularly to Asia, South America, Africa, and Australia. Today, lettuce is often found in the majority of parts of the world, from the Americas to Siberia. As per the USDA, lettuce contains a high water content, similarly to little amounts of energy, protein, fat, carbohydrates, dietary fiber, and sugars. The minerals and vitamins found in it include calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and zinc alongside B vitamins like thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, folate, vitamin B6, and vitamin C, A, E, and K. As per Food Data Central, 100 grams of green leaf lettuce contains about 2.9 grams of carbohydrates and 15 calories. For thousands of years, this leaf has been cultivated as more than a vegetable. It possesses several amazing health benefits. They include the following. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory agent. Lettuce possesses anti-inflammatory properties that help in controlling inflammation. In experimental models, lettuce extracts have shown significant controlling power over inflammation induced by biocatalysts like lipoxygenase and carrageenan. More research is needed in this arena to bolster these results. Number 2. Lowers cholesterol levels. Lettuce can be beneficial in lowering high cholesterol levels that often lead to cardiovascular diseases, CVD, and other dangerous conditions. High LDL cholesterol levels are harmful and can cause heart attack and stroke. A study was conducted on rodents to test the impact of lettuce consumption on fat and cholesterol. The results indicated a significant reduction of cholesterol levels as compared to mice that weren't fed lettuce. Lipid peroxidation was observed in most cases, which was concluded to be responsible for this form of cholesterol control. These results suggest that lettuce could be contributory as a method to reduce the risk factors of CVD. Number 3. Induces sleep. One of the major traditional uses of lettuce in Unani medicine was as a sleep inducer. Research into the extracts of lettuce resulted in the isolation of a depressant chemical. This chemical, when administered in experimental animals, showed significant sedative effects. A 2013 research report suggests that the main components responsible for this effect in lettuce are most likely to be the nonpolar agents, which are found in the N-butanol fraction, NBF, of this plant. Decreased heart rate and ventricular contractions were also observed. This particular chemical acts by blocking the excitatory signal processes of muscular and neural tissues. The effects of lettuce on sleep are compared to those of diazepam. Number 4. Antioxidant agent. Published in the journal Ancient Science of Life journal, one study stated that lettuce possesses antioxidants with significant free radical scavenging capabilities. Antioxidants are a wide range of biochemicals mostly found in our diet. They are also very necessary for human health and disease prevention. Antioxidants act as barriers to free radicals, which are produced during cellular metabolism. These free radicals can attack healthy tissues, cells, and DNA inside them. Antioxidants, on the other hand, counteract these free radicals and neutralize them before the free radical attacks take place. Number 5. Antimicrobial agent. The latex of lettuce possesses antimicrobial properties. When coming into contact with latex from lettuce, research has shown that Candida albicans and many other yeasts were completely deformed. Biochemicals that are considered to possess these antimicrobial properties are the terpenes and cardenolides, as well as enzymes like glucanases. Studies such as these have positive implications for the antimicrobial abilities of this vegetable. Number 6. Helps relieve anxiety. The neurological properties of lettuce, as mentioned earlier, have long been suggested during ancient times and the Middle Ages in medical treatises, such as the Unani system. A 2012 research paper published in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Disease has led to the conclusion that lettuce possesses anxiolytic, anti-anxiety properties. When lab animals were given lettuce extracts, their locomotive activity was reduced, suggesting implications in human populations. As per Ning, leafy greens such as lettuce are also positively associated with our cognitive health.